Bor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka bakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Shillong Hyundai gabalong ga Snem de gali ga bahetam hakat han chate lami kalaraki ka jingya linti ga bakhat san Snem kinti haka absan tri ga saw aja absan haka jingya lang ga balalong ha Snem tri kam jong ga Shillong Hyundai ga badang na mau yong rem Shillong haka ni ga singi la sakhi lang do managing director uba KT marbanyang kinong tri ga Shillong Hyundai bat kuwe kuwe ga shakhos ngubha la pin shangkun ya ga ni ga singi daga basam ki kusnam bat ka fashion show kun thubru ki jingrai ba ki jingshan ne ki kun hun ba pher.
Thank you for being there for us, supporting us. Please come over. So you leave all his work and be here for us. And thank you, Sanjay, for being there for us. Of course, I will mention, he's a family now. So, and definitely, and his guidance about how to go ahead and cut this hill, which was really a Hercules task during those days. Thank you, Kuldeep ji.
Bapak ini di Pak Kiti, di Pak Kenmau ini, Pak ini Puar, Pak Hasan Snem, di Kenmau ini, Pak Lang ini Trai, Pak ini, dari kawai kecing hikai, Pak Hala, dari itu berkuat ni Kenmau mentah. Và kilong kita kejing IT jong yang ban hikai bang ide ban buram ya kakam bang Trai nadu kamen siam ndai tanga bayu ki Trai ndai Trai da kejing Trai sitom ban mai hi ila ilam nanti yang hadu kan ba menta khasan Snem ngawai ilam lang ladang ami ngawai ilam lang bukun Sungai buram sibun i baba ba menta ngalanang ban hikai ru iki kuan ban buram ya kapuan.
Looking after them, to all my work, to all my other supply business, whatever I was doing, to even the work of Shillong Hyundai, where
I'm late, but anyway, it's very pleasing to see all of you. And what can I say? I don't know. I don't have words to say. I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, thank you.
It's filled with gratitude, pride, and deep emotions. Because today is not just another day. Today, we celebrate 15 incredible years of Shillong Hyundai. 15 years of dreams, determination, and family. We are celebrating Shillong Hyundai. When I look back to where it all began, it feels like just like yesterday. 15 years ago, this was only a dream. A dream born out of passion, faith, and the desire to bring something meaningful to our community. A promise to serve with honesty and care. We didn't start big. We didn't have the experience, fancy office, or a fleet of cars. We had a few vehicles, a handful of brave people, and a whole lot of belief. Belief that if we worked hard, treated people right, and stayed honest, we would build something truly special. I still remember standing in front of this premises, a little nervous, a little scared, but full of hope. Hopeful for what would be. I never forget the first customer, the joy of her face when she drove off in a new car. I believe that would have been an I-20 with a family. Well, she was supposed to be here today, but she's not here. That smile, that single moment made every sleepless night and every struggle worth it. That moment, I fell in love with this business. Because this dealership has never been just about cars. It's about people, it's about trust, honesty, and human connection. It's about being part of someone's story, their first car, their first adventure, their first memory on the open road. Over this 15 years, we've shared thousands of such stories. Stories of joy, of growth, of resilience, and every single one of them has become a part of who we are. The journey hasn't been easy. We've had days when the showroom was quiet, the workshop still. Days when we wondered, how do we make through? But when we had days when everything clicked, when customers lined up, when our team achieved the impossible, when we celebrated milestones that once felt out of reach. Every success, every small victory, it all brought us here, to this very moment. What makes Shillong Hyundai truly special is not the cars we sell, it's the people behind them. The father who proudly brought their family's first car. The young couple who drove off to start their new lives. The loyal customers who trusted us again and again. And of course, the team that made every one of those experiences possible. To our customers, you are the reason we exist. Your trust, your loyalty, your faith in us, that's what drives us every single day. Thank you for choosing Shillong Hyundai. Not just once, but again and again. Thank you for recommending us to your friends and families and being such a vital part of a story. You've turned this dealership from a business into a family. Your trust means everything, and we promise to continue earning it every single day. We don't just sell cars, we build relationships. And your continued support means the world to us. You all are the ones who did it. And again, applause for you all.
In what they do in regards with sales, okay, and has all the updates of new products and keeps truly values the importance of time, no matter what weather. Punctuality and attendance is topmost. And he is a multiplier of revenue for the dealer. Next, a person who is a multitask person and who puts sometimes the company.
Our youngest head technician. Another promise from them.
Should have been 15 years, but that brings us more experience. As a decade of dedication to us, this is something that we do it every 10 years. Someone who has completed 10 years, this year is Frida. So there is a momentum.
Jadi apartemen, Nyngkong ako aban ay kuda yang sir and di sini, imam, presiden board dan you support Jangan berpol-pol di hadapan kebun pilihan Risbun di bawah tangan ini.
You don't exposure tambah company is me away for you all, even though you haven't reached up. Kong Rida had joined us as a cleaner of Nyngkong showroom, and today she is in charge of Nyngkong. So you can see where you can go. So when people tell you that in Shillong Hyundai pinlaban keo kamday kata, hilaban keo but kasong hafi, ngilaban peni kalenti, kama lenti ban sim day mafi, imlaban dek kalat kata. Kublay going that.
From the time when we had a construction going on. And a little surprise. I don't know how he's at home, so we thought probably he'd make some noise with the speakers at home.
It means a lot, and we look forward. Now, with regards to Bendeng's father was a friend of mine, and very close. And Bendeng started also with no knowledge, just passed out, and today he's looking after the Hyundai Shopee service section. Bendeng is looking after. And when Bendeng joined us, he started as a PDI with no knowledge except of what he learned in his institution, right? So, but of course he had the background being from that field, so educated in that, mechanical diploma, was it? Yeah. So anyway, thank you for 15 years of your life to Shillong Hyundai. We look forward for many more. Here, 15 years, it's been decided by me that one child for the education of one of the child of Krishna will be looked after by Shillong Hyundai.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finshet da kajo shi kajo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pimday pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpnyang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lemba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.